Hi guys, we received these vanity lights with milky glass shades for reviewing purposes, so let's take them out of the box. As you can see, it comes very well protected with foam, so let's open it. And here we have it, okay? This is a fixture for the lampshades, which are these ones, okay? As you can see, they are really nice. And you place them like this, and you twist it, okay? And this is the main unit. Let me take it out of this box. As you can see, it has a really nice combination between gold and matte black, which I think it looks really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it. Nice thing about these lamps is that they have everything you need to install them, with all the instruction manuals, screws, and everything. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think they look really nice. They have this kind of like art deco style, which I think it looks really beautiful. And you've seen it was really easy to install it, just some screws, some basic wiring, and that's all. It was really easy, and I like them a lot. I placed this kind of like warm white light bulbs, which I think given the two milky white lampshade, it gives a really nice touch to the bathroom, and I think they look amazing. I actually will really recommend them because they look really nice. They are easy to install, and well, they are perfect for wherever you want to place it, in your vanity room, your restroom, wherever you want to place them. I think they will look really beautiful. Okay, see you.